Binary subtraction using 2's complement. Firstly, we need to know binary addition rules. So they are 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, where 0 is in output and 1 is in carry. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 1, 1. Similarly, where 1 is in output and 1 in carry. Next, we should also know by decimal number to binary number conversion. So let's take an example and know how to convert. So if we take 74, first we need to divide it by 2, and simultaneously we have to write the remainder. We divide it in the same process as we do as LCM. So 74 is divided by 2. So divided by 2 is 2 3s are 6 and 2 7s are 14, and there is no remainder, so 0. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16, so remainder is 1. 2 9s are 18, so remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, so remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, so remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 0. Now we have to write number from bottom to top. So 74 in decimal is written as 1001010 in binary. Similarly, we take another example, 86 in binary. So 86, 2 4s are and 2 3s are, so 0. 2 2s are and 2 1s are, so 1. 2 10s are 20 and remainder is 1. 2 5s are 10, so remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, so remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, so remainder is 0. Again we have to write from bottom to top. So 86 in decimal is 1010110. Now for doing binary subtraction, first we need to take, let's take an example, 74 divided by 10 minus 86. So we have to take 2's complement of 86 and then add it to 74. For that, first we need to convert it into binary. So already we have done it. So we will take 86 in binary is 1010110. Now we have to write, first for taking 2's complement, first we need to do 1's complement. 1's complement of 86. For 1's complement, we have to just interchange zeros to 1's and 1's to zeros. So it is 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Now for 2's complement of 86, for which we have to add 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 plus 1. So we have to add 1 to 1's complement to get 2's complement, which is 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 in carry. So again 1 plus 0 is 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is 2's complement. Now we have to add 2's complement of 86 plus 74. So first 74 is 1001010 plus 2's complement is 0101 010. It's 2's complement of 86. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 in output, 1 in carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 in output, 1 in carry. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So when there is 1 in MSB, which means most significant bit, it is determined as it is the negative number which we have obtained. So to check whether the output which we got is correct or not, we have to again do 2's complement of the result obtained. So first we'll do 1's complement. 1's complement of result, which is converting just zeros to ones and ones to zeros. So 0 0 0 1 0 1 1. Now we have to add 1 to 1's complement to get 2's complement. So 2's complement of result is 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0 in output, 1 in carry. Again 1 plus 1 is 0 in output, 1 in carry. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 0 0 0. So now what we got is 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. To convert it into decimal and check, we have to just take 8421 and do. As these first three places are zeros, we neglect them and we write the remaining 4 digits, which is 1100. So according to 8421, 8 plus 4, where ones are there, we'll add them. So it is 12. So the result which we obtained is correct.